Okay, we're about to set up a Linktree account. Go to Linktree, Linktr.ee. Get started for free. Create a username. Let's just say Jantoin TheDon. Password. Oh, okay. Email. Me, I'm an influencer and business professional. I'll just keep it like that. And my name is Jantoin Thompson. I'm not a robot. Save details. We're gonna do the free one. Now I gotta go to my email to confirm. So get rid of that. Okay. So I'm done. Now I gotta add me some links. Add new link. I'm gonna go to my website, which is always gonna start with retail. totallifechanges.com / whatever your username is, which mine is Let Me Retire You. The first button I think I want to make is becoming a member. So we're gonna go to Life Changer, sign up. And this is the page I want people to go to when they click that button. So I'm gonna copy that, go back to Linktree, put it in URL, copy and paste. Or you can just right click and paste, either or. Make me a title, let's say, sign up to sell products. As soon as I click out of here, that first button pop up over here, and I can actually click it so you can test it to make sure it works. I'm gonna add another, which is more than likely gonna be the lemon CBD. So I wanna go to shop. Most of the products is gonna be under health and wellness. So I will go here. And this is the page that I wanna copy. You wanna make sure that your username shows up here. Oh, I added this in the wrong spot. Okay. Lemon CBD. That is active. You can test it and make sure it works. And that's pretty much it. I'm gonna add one more. What do I want? The NutriBurst or a kit? I'm gonna add the kit. Go into kits. And this is the one I push the most. So copy that. Title, CBD and NutriBurst. click anywhere in the screen to make that happen, or you can just do this. Let's say I want the CBDT and NutriBurst first, and then the CBDT next. Grab right here where the little 3 dots at and just move it up and down. Most of the products is under health and wellness, so you probably want show all products. So I'm just gonna click health and wellness and copy that products. Add one more link. See all products. Boom. So now when your customers come to your website, this is what they're gonna see. And it just makes it easier for people. And this is your link right here. You can copy right here and give it to people. It's a lot easier to give this to people than this. That's a bit much. You can also change the appearance of your Linktree by choosing one of these colors, or maybe you want it to look like this or that. Maybe you want it purple. Me, I'm gonna roll with blue. And you can upload a picture. This. It's my Linktree picture. Boom. So when people come to my site, they can see me. So that's about it. If you got any questions, leave a comment below and I will get back to you.